I was looking for a place from a very long time because I wanted to get my studio designed. So my sister got her house done from Modular Designs. So she only recommended me Modular company. We wanted like a perfect display for us. We wanted like racks, wooden racks, just stacked up like that, so that we can put all our cakes and all our things which are visible like this only. And we've kept our boxes like that. These are the drawers that they have given us. They're pretty huge, and their sprinklers and all. Everything is in one place, so everything is very convenient for us. We had requested Modular for a lot of storage for our big baskets and big boxes, and they gave us exactly that. So it's perfect for all our basic needs.
We've received a lot of compliments from all our clients. They love this place, and the way it has come out, it's exactly how we wanted it to be. This is our happy place, and this is how we wanted, and everything is just perfect. Modular Designs for all the services that you've given us. You've made our dream come true. This is a dream kitchen that we've always wanted. And we will be contacting you only for any other services, and we'll be referring you guys. So thank you so much.